What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you how to make money online with little investment. So many people question whether this is a possibility. Everybody thinks you need money to make money, and that's a great way to think. However, that's not necessarily the case. There's a lot of businesses out there you can start online that don't take much money to start. And I want to show you one, all right? So before I get into it, I want to show you something that will help you out through this process. Now, what I'm going to be talking about is selling stuff on eBay. I'm going to talk about going to a thrift store, buying certain products that will make you money. Okay? It's a very simple process. eBay has been around for years, and it's a proven business model that most people, they look at, they use it a little bit, but then they step away from it, because the glitz and the glamour of Shopify and Amazon and all these other businesses and all these other websites are taken over. eBay is still a legitimate source for income to make money, but you got to use it. So let me show you something. This right here, and you don't got to buy it. I'll put this in it'll be the first link in the description box below. It will help you out. It's called 40 Profitable Items Every Reseller Should Know. It's a $10 guide, and it kind of walks you through just a bunch of the different things that you're going to get, all right? That you're going to go into a thrift store and see that are going to make you money. And it actually helps. But like I said, you do not need that guide. You can go and do it all on your own, okay? But that's going to help you out. So it's a $10 guide, 40 profitable items every reseller should know. But how can you make money with little investment? Well, I want to show you a product right here. This right here, it's the spectacles, the Snapchat spectacles. This is version 1, or the first ones that came out. These are black. Okay, you can see them right there. Now, I used to have a bunch of these, okay, and I sold them, gave some away. This one I ended up picking up at Goodwill. Hopefully you can see it right there, for $19, or for they're selling for $19. It was a blue day yesterday, so I ended up getting these 50% off. Bought these for $10. Now, the reason why I wanted to show you these is because something like this is not going to make me a lot of money. Let me show you, all right? Let me show you on eBay. So right here on eBay, I went to eBay. If you don't know how to get to this or see these green numbers, you go to eBay and you click on Advanced. When you're in the Advanced section, you're going to type in whatever it is you're looking for. You're going to click on Sold, and then being that these are used, yes, these are used, okay? And they look brand new, but they're technically used. And they have the manual, they have the case, they have the glasses, they have the charger, they have even pretty much the box, the packaging that comes in, right? So I clicked on Used, hit Search, okay? And then it pops it all up right here. Like I said, I paid $10 for this, okay? Actually, it came out to $11. I didn't have my reseller certificate with me, and I had to renew it, so they didn't give me, I'd pay taxes on it. So paid about $11 for this. Now this one right here, it's probably this one, okay, $30. This looks like the newer version. I'm not sure if it is or not, but like this one, version 1, black with case included, sold for $20 and $10 shipping. I'm thinking I can probably sell this for about $35, and that's including free shipping. Okay, so let me show you something. I paid $10 for the spectacles. I sell for $35. The fees, because of selling it for $35, and I just put a flat 13%. That's 10% for eBay, and that's 3% for PayPal. So the fees right there would be $4.55. Shipping at $8. My profit for this item, after paying $10 for it, I didn't include taxes, okay? I didn't include it because I'll get that back anyway, is $12.45. That's pretty good. Most people assume that you buy something for $10 and making only $12 profit on it, it's not that good. You can't stay in business that way. Actually, you can. Just ask Costco and ask Walmart. Walmart buys stuff for $1 and sells it for $1.50 and makes a very small margin. Makes, what is it, 10, 15%? They make very little. And they are staying in business. They're making a lot of money. And so buying something for $10, okay, and making $12 or almost $13 profit from it is a good deal. I'll do that all day long, okay? And that's even what I do on my Amazon business, okay? Buying something for $10, making over 100% ROI on it is a great business model to get into. And this, $10, who does not have $10 to buy something? Now, let me just say this is not a normal find. Okay, this is not. Almost everything's included: the manual, the case, the charger, the packaging, the glasses. Okay, I have tested it; it does work. Okay, but that's not normal. Let me show you an item that is more normal than that. This right here, again, you've probably seen me show this before, and it's because these I'm finding all over the place. People are big into not only getting their finances right, but trying to live a passive income lifestyle, something that I'm able to do. But this right here, it's Cash Flow 101. It's from the Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and how to get out of the rat race. Okay, I find these all the time. This one right here I picked up for $3.99. Okay, about $4. The best part about that, okay, it's a little noisy, so I'm not gonna hold the entire time. The best part about this is that I can find these almost anywhere. Almost anywhere. They might not come with all the pieces, or might not come with the sheets to do everything on. However, the nice thing about this game is they now have a phone version that you can use with that game, kind of follow along. But let me show you. Okay, so I did the exact same thing. I went to advanced, clicked on sold listings, used. Okay, you get the idea. They do have a new version right here that recently came out. Okay, that's not the one I have. Okay, I have the one with the little rat, not with the car. Okay, so they also have a kids version as well, so be on the lookout for that. But right here, Cash Flow 101 board game, Awaken Your Financial Genius, pre-owned, sold for $43. This was on January 13th. Sold for $43 with $12.75 shipping. Okay, and you get down here, $50, $59.95 plus $25 shipping, $30 with $25 shipping, $26 with $25 shipping. You get the idea. All these January 13th. Let's look at the numbers. I bought this for $3.99, $4. All right, I'm just gonna say $4. If I sell it for $55, which is not, but I'm not stretching right there, to sell for $55. This one right here, okay, and it has everything in it. It has the papers that you write all your numbers down, everything. Okay, even this one right here, it sells for what was that, $58. Okay, this one right here sells for what, 80, 60? Was it 55? So when I say I can sell for 55, I'm serious. I think I can sell for 55. Okay, do that all day long. So fees on $55 sale price on eBay at 10%, which is going to eBay, plus 3%, which would be paid to PayPal. I'll have to pay $7.15 in fees. Shipping, I'm assuming it's going to be about $14. I've shipped this many times before. So from me in Washington State all the way down to Florida, it's going to cost me about $14. Okay, but do I always ship to Florida? No. So profit. I paid $4 for this item, and I make $29.85 profit. That is good. I would do that every single day if I could. So the reason why I want to show you this, not because it's one of those things that everybody can find, because honestly not everyone can find it. I've had people find a lot more of these games than myself. I've also had people never come across something like this, which kind of sucks because it's a great item to find. Okay, this item right here, I've been able to find these at yard sales in pretty much this condition. I don't think I've ever found one at a Goodwill in this good condition. Okay, so just be aware of that. When you buy stuff from a thrift store, just because I find it does not mean you're going to find it. Just because you find something at a thrift store does not mean I'm going to be able to find it. It all depends on the location, the time of year, the season. Everything varies, so just be aware of that. But again, the reason I wanted to even shoot this video is because buying stuff like this for $10, buying stuff like this game for $4, this is stuff you can find all the time. It's not like it's impossible to find. I look for things like small electronics, for tools, for games, for kitchen items, even knives. If you find anything that's Cutco, pick it up because it's going to make you money. So, last thing I just want to show you again, if you want to get this, it's $10, 40 profitable items every reseller should know. You can go and read it, okay? Joe, check it out. But you get, and I walk through it, 40 profitable items every reseller should know. I walk through kind of where I mostly find them, how much you're going to pay for them, how much you're going to sell them for, and just how hard it is to actually find it. So if that's something that you're interested in, again, I'll put that link. It'll be the first link in the description box below. But that's it. That is how you can make money. If you have $5, $10, $20 you can invest, go to your local thrift store, your local Goodwill, Salvation Army, Savers, Value Village, something, your local secondhand store, and see what they have. I guarantee you, you're going to find something that you didn't know was profitable. You're going to scan it, you're going to pick it up, you're going to use your phone, you're going to type it on eBay, maybe on Amazon, and figure out, hey, this is profitable, I can make some money. When you do that, buy it, put it in your cart, buy it, take it home, take pictures of it, and list it. The faster you can get stuff listed, the more money you could potentially make. So hopefully this video helped you out. Hopefully this video kind of gets your wheels turning, gets you motivated to get into those thrift stores, get into those retail stores, start buying products that can put money in your pocket. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.